Hello students, myself Jitendra and today we will discuss about single phase AC circuit analysis. This topic belongs to chapter number 2 of AC circuit. First is content. AC circuit are three types: purely resistive circuit, purely inductive circuit and purely capacitive circuit. Purely resistive circuit is that only resistor is connected in the circuit, it is called purely resistive circuit. Purely inductive circuit, if only inductor is connected in the circuit through the supply, it is called inductive circuit. And purely capacitive circuit, if only capacitor is connected through the supply in the circuit, it is called purely capacitive circuit. Now the AC series circuit. AC series circuit is that first is series RL circuit, second is series RC circuit, and third is series RLC circuit. In series RL circuit, resistor or inductor are connected in series through the supply in the circuit. It is called series RL circuit. In series RC circuit, resistor capacitor are connected in series through the supply. It is called RC series circuit. In RLC series circuit, when the resistor, inductor, and capacitor all three elements are connected in series through the supply, it is called RLC series circuit. First is introduction. AC circuit. AC circuit in which current and voltage vary sinusoidally, that is vary with time, or called alternating current or AC circuit. In AC circuit, magnitude, that is current or voltage, are depend on the time. If we change the time, the magnitude also time, and the magnitude vary with respect to time. It is called AC circuit. All AC circuits are made up of combination of R, L, and C, that is resistor, inductor, and capacitor. The circuit's elements RL and C are called circuits parameter. To study a general AC circuit, it is necessary to consider the effect of each separately. First is the pure resistive circuit. In pure resistive circuit, the only resistor are connected through the supply in the pure resistive circuit. And in pure resistive circuit, current and voltage or current are at each phase, and there is no phase difference between the current and voltage. That is the phasor diagram of that. On that, from the figure, V equal to Vm sin omega t, because V apply the AC supply for the circuit, and the voltage of the AC supply is that V equal to Vm sin omega t, that is sinusoidal voltage. According to Ohm's law, the instantaneous current in the circuit will be I equal to V upon R and V equal to Vm sin omega t upon R. So Im equal to Vm upon R, and we denoted it I equal to Im sin omega t from the equation V equal to Vm sin omega t and I equal to Im sin omega t. In both these equations, there is no phase difference between voltage and current. So the current and voltage are in same phase. Comparison of voltage equation and current show that the phase difference are in phase difference between voltage and current is zero. Hence, in a circuit with resistance, only the voltage and current are in each phase with each other. The waveform and phase diagram respectively of the voltage and current in the circuit containing only a resistance for pure resistive circuit. Since the maximum value equal to V maximum equal to root 2 into RMS value. RMS voltage equal to VRMS. Then Im equal to root 2 I and Vm equal to root 2 V. Root 2 V upon R equal to root 2 I and V equal to IR. Root 2 cancel and I equal to V equal to IR. Yeah, we can say I equal to V upon R. That is the waveform. In the waveform, current and voltage, that is the voltage waveform, and that is the current waveform. The phase difference of voltage and current is equal to 0. This equation represents that Ohm's law. It is noted that the applied voltage is counterbalanced by the voltage drop across the resistance. This voltage drop is called resistive voltage drop and denoted by VR equal to V. VR equal to IR. Second is pure inductive circuit. In this circuit, pure inductive circuit is given in that only inductor is connected through the supply. It is a pure inductive circuit. And in pure inductive circuit, voltage is lead the current by 90 degree, and the phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree. Consider a pure inductive circuit containing only an inductance L. Let the current taken by the circuit be I equal to Im sin omega t. This current produces a self-induced EMF EL in the circuit given by EL equal to minus L di upon dt. At an instant, two voltages are present in the circuit. One is the applied voltage EL by KVL V equal to minus EL and equal to L di upon dt, and we can say that L d Im sin omega t upon dt. Omega Li m sin cos omega t equal to omega L Im sin omega t plus 90 degree. If omega Lim equal to Vm, then V equal to Vm sin omega t plus 90 degree. Comparison show that the phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree for this circuit. If phase difference is measured from the current phase, phi equal to plus 90 degree. Hence, in a pure inductive circuit, the voltage lead the current by 90 degree or the current lag by 90 degree. The waveform and phasor diagram respectively or the voltage and current containing only on inductance. In this waveform, there is the current waveform and there is the voltage waveform. Voltage is lead the current by 90 degree and the phase difference between these two parameters is 90 degree. That is shown in the figure. Now the pure capacitive circuit. In pure capacitive circuit, only capacitors are connected through the supply. That is considered a pure capacitive circuit containing only capacitor connected to AC supply. Voltage is given by V equal to Vm sin omega t. The current in the circuit at any instant is I equal to dq upon dt and I equal to dCV upon dt because Q equal to Cv. Q is the charge on the capacitor. We differentiate of this equation is that I equal to C dV upon dt and V equal to supply voltage Vm sin omega t and I equal to omega C Vm cos omega t. We can written this equation in this form also. I equal to omega C Vm sin omega t plus 90 and omega C Vm equal to Im into I equal to Im sin omega t plus 90. And in this figure we show that the current lead the voltage by 90 degree. Yeah, in other words, we can say the voltage lag the current by 90 degree for capacitive circuit. Comparison show that the phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree. If phi is measured from the voltage phasor, phi equal to plus 90 degree. Hence, in purely capacitive circuit, current lead the voltage by 90 degree and the waveform and phasor diagram respectively for a circuit containing capacitance alone. That is the waveform for capacitive circuit. In this waveform, that is the current waveform, that is the voltage waveform. Now the series RL circuit. That is the circuit diagram of RL series circuit. Resistor or inductor are connected in circuit through the supply. V equal to supply voltage, I equal to circuit current, VR equal to voltage drop across resistance, and VR equal to IR. VL equal to voltage drop across L, that is the IXL. XL equal to 2 pi FL. Phi L equal to phase difference between I and V. Since I is a common to both elements R and L, this is used as reference phasor. The voltage VR is in phase with I and VL leads by 90 degree. The voltage V is the phasor sum of VR and VL is that is the phasor. That is the phasor diagram of RL series circuit. That is the resultant voltage V, that is the inductive voltage, and that is the resistive voltage. Inductive voltage lead the resistive voltage. The triangle having VR, VL and V as its side is called voltage triangle for series RL circuit. The phase angle phi L between the supply voltage V and the circuit current I is the angle between the hypotenuse and the side VR. It is seen that the current is lagging behind the voltage V in RL circuit. V square equal to V square R plus V square L and V square equal to IR का whole square plus IXL का whole square. V square upon I square equal to R square plus X square L. V upon I equal to root R square plus X square L and ZL equal to root R square plus X square L. ZL it's called the impedance of series RL circuit, and ZL equal to V upon I, and we can say V equal to IZL. Now the series RC circuit is, that is the circuit diagram of series RC circuit. R and C are connected in circuit through the supply. We supply voltage, I circuit current, VR voltage drop across R, that is IR, VC equal to voltage drop across capacitance, that is IXC, X equal to 2 pi FC, and VC equal to I upon 2 pi FC. Phi C equal to phase difference of phase angle between I and V. The voltage VR is in phase with I and VC lag by 90 degrees. The voltage sum is V equal to VR plus VC. The phasor diagram. In phasor diagram, VC is lag the voltage VR by 90 degree, and V is the resultant voltage, that is the phase angle. The triangle having VR, VC and V as its side is called voltage triangle for a series RC circuit. The phase angle phi C between the supply voltage and the circuit current is the angle between the hypothesis and the side VR. It is observed V square equal to V square R plus V square C, that is IR का whole square plus IXC का whole square. V square upon I square equal to R square plus X square C. V upon I equal to root R square plus X square C. ZC equal to root R square plus X2 square C. And ZC is called the impedance of series RC circuit. ZC equal to V upon I and V equal to IZC for this circuit. RLC series circuit. There is a circuit diagram of RLC series circuit. Three components like R, L, C are connected in series across the supply. We are in phase with I. We are lagging I by 90 degree. VC lagging I by 90 degree. Total voltage V equal to VR plus VL plus VC. That is the phasor diagram. V is the resultant voltage and VL is the inductive voltage. VC is the capacitive voltage. That is the condition when the inductive voltage is greater than capacitive voltage. VL and VC are in opposite direction and their resultant is their arithmetic difference. There are three possible cases. First, VL greater than VC, second VL less than VC, and third is VL equal to VC. When XL greater than XC, the circuit is denoted by that inductive circuit cause the current lag the voltage. V equal to I root R square plus X I minus X का whole square. Z equal to root R square plus XI minus X का whole square. When XL less than XC, the circuit is predominantly capacitive. Capacitive circuit cause the current to lead the voltage. V equal to I root R square plus XC minus XI का whole square, and Z equal to root R square plus XC minus XL का whole square. That is the impedance of RLC series circuit. Thank you.